Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it is a pleasure to join you. In this video, we're going to do a question from the November 2018 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. This question deals with the boiling points of various organic compounds. The first question asks us to define the term boiling point. The boiling point of a substance is the point at which the vapor pressure exerted on the liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Then the second question asks us to write down the name of the functional group of these compounds, the IUPAC name of compound C, and the structural formula of the functional isomer of compound B. So the functional group represented here is the carboxyl group, and this functional group forms the homologous series of the carboxylic acids, and we can tell this because of the COOH at the end of the condensed structural formula. So next we need to give the IUPAC name of compound C. Compound C has 3 carbon atoms, so we use the prefix propan, and since it is a carboxylic acid, the full name is propanoic acid. Lastly, we need to give the structural formula of the functional isomer of compound B. Now, a functional isomer has the same molecular formula, but is part of a different part of a different homologous series, so it contains a different functional group. In this case, the functional group contains 2 oxygens, so the functional isomer would be an ester, because an ester is the only other homologous series that contains 2 oxygens. So compound B contains 2 carbon atoms, and that is the simplest ester, which also contains 2 carbon atoms and is called methyl methanoate. So it has a structural formula with 1 methyl chain connected to a single oxygen, which is then bonded to another carbon, and this carbon has a double bond to an oxygen and then also a single bond to a hydrogen. And this is the simplest ester called methyl methanoate. The last question asks us which of the compounds has the highest vapor pressure between A, B, and C. Recall that the vapor pressure is the pressure exerted on a liquid by the vapor that forms above it. So a higher vapor pressure indicates that there is more vapor above the liquid, meaning that the liquid has a high tendency to vaporize and therefore has a weaker intermolecular bonds and a lower boiling point. So the higher the vapor pressure, the lower the boiling point, and for this reason, compound A has the highest vapor pressure because its boiling point is 101 degrees Celsius, which is lower than any of the others. Okay, so before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.